Okay, you're replacing a new toilet seat and the plastic nut is stuck. This happens to everybody at some point. All toilet seats in the last about 15 years use plastic nuts and not metal, but they do sometimes get stuck. Now, pliers seems to be the absolute worst tool for this because it literally just strips the plastic away and tears it up, and you lose grip. My favorite has always been the vice grip or locking pliers. Now, with that, you can adjust the size so you can get it to cinch on the nut and then use that to start turning. Now, if that doesn't work for you or it's too stripped out, sometimes people do have to resort to cutting it away. So here's a small hacksaw, fits in the palm of my hand. I can get in there with that and I can start cutting that nut away. That works pretty well, although you could damage or scratch your toilet. Lastly, people are having success with these angle cutters. These are sold in the electrical department. They're often used for snipping wires flat on one end. That enables you to get right in there and snip that bolt off. Remember, when removing stuck toilet seat covers, it's left to remove that's laying on the floor looking up at the nut counterclockwise left. Now you're ready to remove the old one, and this will be your final chance to clean under there before you put the new toilet seat on. All new toilet seats will come with the mounting hardware included. Okay, with the new plastic nut through, you're going to thread on the bolt. The manufacturer here says they're just looking for finger tight at this point. Now, after you tighten that finger tight, you don't want to come back with the pliers yet. You want to adjust your new toilet seat so it's even before you tighten it up for the final tightening. And then here the manufacturer says go ahead and tighten it with your wrench or your locking pliers at the very end, and you want to aim for that plastic nut at the very bottom. They've designed this to go as tight as you can, and they're going to have that break away or snap off when you get to the finish, when they want it at the tightest setting. And there it worked. Once you go tight enough, the manufacturer designed that to snap off and you are good to go. You've done it. You installed your brand new toilet seat. These are liftable so you can clean underneath there and snap them down. The product link is in the video description down below. You've installed your own toilet seat and you remove that old stuck-on bolt.